All right, so she's the top student at St. George's College. Her name is Alia Mills, and she's with me now. Um, Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. So Alia, believe it or not, have 13 ones, like 8 CSEC ones, 5 Cape ones. Whew, congrats.
It wasn't easy.
Absolutely brilliant.
It wasn't easy.
I can imagine it wasn't easy. She also plays rugby, which I don't believe because she weighs about 13 pounds. I don't know why she would be playing rugby, but I do believe. But let me start from the top. How did you end up at St. George's College? We were having a discussion this morning that we were an all-boys school. Why are you at St. George's College?
Well, I always had this feeling for St. George's College ever since I was in 7th grade at St. Hughes High School. And it's like my brothers went to George's, and even though you know how George's and Champs are, so my friends, while they're taking KC and Calabar and all that, I'll be taking St. George's College, regardless of whether they're going to win or not.
You
I
sure
take
you have
St. George's
13
College.
one? That doesn't sound too right.
I did not care. I was taking St. George's College from 7th grade.
And KC would be your brother's school from
Yes, from
St.
St.
Hughes.
Hughes, yes. But I did not care about it. It was St. George's College.
Yeah.
And because of that, no, when I was in 5th form, I'm like, okay, I'm going to perform in my C6 so that I can qualify for St. George's College.
Brilliant.
And that's where I ended up.
Yeah.
I loved it ever since.
You said that it wasn't easy to get your 13 ones. Let's look at CSEC. What were some of the challenges you would have faced?
CSEC, CSEC was fairly easy, but I think I had to push myself to the next level. Like I was studying 12 hours a day.
12 hours.
Yeah, when CSEC was coming up. And it was just hard on me, but I'm like, I'm going to do something because I feel like I have something to prove.
Yeah. Were you surprised that you did as well as you did?
Yeah. I think when we were just introduced to this exam, they're like, oh, you must take this exam extremely seriously, this and that, this and that. So I kind of overestimated the exam, but at the same time, I'm being careful not to underestimate it.
Right, which is brilliant. And then you move up to Cape. What kind of academic difference is that? Was that easy also coming from as well as you did at CSEC?
Well, from what I've been hearing while I was in 5th form, everyone's been saying CSEC is easy. CSEC is easy. CSEC is easy. And then I did that. Now I'm hearing that Cape is extremely hard. Like the jump to it is just wide. And then people are saying that their averages every time when they go to the 6th form just drops. So I'm saying, okay, Cape is going to be, I'm not going to survive this.
But it wasn't.
But it wasn't. Like, they always make me worry. They always tell me these things that make me worry, but no, I'm like...
And the fact that you are worried pushes you to perform a little better, work a little harder. So it's good. So they must make you worry all the time.
Yeah.
Where does this rugby thing come from? Why rugby? Why not track and field, football, cricket? Why rugby?
That's exactly it. Why rugby? You wouldn't look at me and expect me to play rugby, but I guess because there was always this softness, there was always this soft part of my personality. I wanted to compensate for that by doing rugby, because rugby is a rough sport. And I might not be in the scrums and all of that in the middle where everyone gets tackled. I'm the wing, because I'm not really buff enough for a scrum.
So you're tough now? Or you still soft?
I'm still soft.
Maybe we should go play pool or something like that. But you enjoy rugby?
Yes.
I said this morning that you can't represent St. George's College, can you? Because we're still considered an all-boys school. Is that so?
Yes, and it's
unfortunate.
Yes, it's unfortunate. Everywhere I go. Girls don't go to St. George's College. That can't be a St. George's. Big old crest on my uniform. That can't be St. George's College.
It is St. George's College.
When we were in the The girls were in the St. George's College bus. Still can't be St. George's College.
Don't worry about it. You're at St. John's College. How far you want to take this rugby thing? You want to play it like national or no?
I don't think so.
This is just a little fun right now. What do you want to be when you leave school?
What I want to be? Oh, software engineer.
Software engineer.
Yes. And I want to take it a step further and pursue a master's in artificial intelligence.
In artificial
intelligence, yes.
Which is what, please?
Oh, artificial intelligence is like, all right, you know the iPhones and you know Siri?
Yeah.
Yes, Siri would be an example of artificial intelligence. You ask them certain questions and in their functions, in their programs, they decipher exactly what to tell you.
Okay. She talked to me a while ago like the dunce. She say, you know, Siri, duh. Fantastic. Great to meet you. Tell the youngsters who might be struggling with exams and extracurricular how to go about what you've done and the reason you've been so successful. Look in that camera.
All right. No, in terms of that, I was not always the top student. In fact, I idled my first 3 years of St. Hugh's. I was pretty much on the bottom of the scale in terms of students. And I just looked to myself and said, you know what? All I have to do right now is schoolwork. It's not like I'm an adult and I'm working. Why not put my all in it? What kind of purpose do you have other than school right now? So you can either give it your all and give your life some kind of purpose, or you can just sit back. And I don't know where that will take people, but you can either decide to be average, or you can either decide to be one of the best.
And obviously you didn't choose to sit back.
No.
Great to meet you. It's a funny story when I came this morning. I think everyone knows that I'm the coach of St. George's College. I actually have an office at St. George's College, and I go there every single day. Alia said she didn't know me, which was good for me. St. George's College top student. I think she knows me now, and I know her too.
Yeah.
Alia Mills. Great to meet you.
Thank
Fantastic work. I know your family must be very proud of you. We're all proud of you. And I pray that you will get your dreams. Get your dreams. Fight for that. All right, stay with us. Kuzik has the stage on the other side of the break. Soon come.